Twitter traditionally limits tweets to 280 characters. This can feel restricting but offers a challenge for creativity. To express longer thoughts, consider using thread tweets. This allows you to string multiple tweets together for extended narratives. Alternatively, you can utilize Twitter's Notes feature. This helps you write articles or lengthy posts right on the platform. Be mindful of breaking your text into digestible chunks. This improves readability and keeps your audience engaged. Incorporating visuals or links can also help convey longer messages. Images or videos enhance your tweets. Lastly, always invite your followers to respond. Engaging with their thoughts encourages a vibrant dialogue. Start with a strong hook. Use captivating openings to grab attention immediately. Use emojis and hashtags wisely. They can convey emotions and categorize content effectively. Edit ruthlessly. Be concise and remove fluff. Every word should add value. Make use of call to action phrases. Encourage your audience to share thoughts or retweet. Lastly, experiment and find your style. Authenticity resonates with followers. With these tips, you're now equipped to share longer texts effectively and connect deeper with your audience on Twitter.